Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by preparing the device and choosing a private lock method. First, make sure battery and updates are current so the process won't interrupt. Then pick a strong PIN or enable fingerprint/face unlock where available. This is faster and more secure than simple patterns. Once done, set an automatic screen lock delay of 15 to 30 seconds so the device locks quickly when idle. Finally, record recovery options in a secure place so you don't lose access. Now dive into the detailed configuration to harden privacy. Enable full disk encryption to protect stored data. Encryption prevents access if the device is lost. Next, apply app-specific locks for banking and messaging apps and hide sensitive notifications from the lock screen so previews don't reveal private content. Also, set up a password manager to generate and store long, unique passwords. This avoids reuse and simplifies login. Make sure secure backups are encrypted. These preserve access without exposing credentials. Finish by testing every element thoroughly so the privacy lock works reliably. Try entering the PIN, using biometrics, and restoring from recovery to confirm procedures. Practice once or twice. If an app or biometric fails, reboot the device and retest, then check safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts. Keep an encrypted offline recovery note or hardware key in a secure location. If problems persist, remove recent apps or reset lock settings. Doing this stepwise reveals the cause without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.